Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this minimalist wallet for Min. Nice little gift idea here. This is pop-up leather slots, credit card holder, also compatible with AirTag, so you can slip one of those in there and be able to track your wallet. It's kind of nice. It's got this clip for money in there and RFID blocking so people can just scan your stuff and steal it. So that's cool. And it comes with a little screwdriver here as well, so you can undo this if you want to, or tighten these. That's pretty nice. All right, so I got my old wallet here and it's definitely time for an upgrade, but just go ahead and put my stuff in here and check it out in the pockets. It does have some metal sides here. Here's my old wallet. So it's already looking like it's gonna be slimmer than my wallet, and it's also thinner and identical lengthwise. So yeah, this one, I've had this for quite a few years. I think it's leather, but definitely it's getting a little chewed up here. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer my stuff over here, see how comfortable it is in my pocket, and tell you guys what I think about it. All right, so I transferred everything over to this one. Got my money clip right there. The clip's right in here. What's cool about this, you just press this button and your cards come up right here. So that's really, I like that a lot. Super easy to get those out. So just boom, press those, and it gives them each on a little different higher level. So, and then you can just take them out. That's super handy. Have my ID right there, and the clear one has this little space here, so I can just push these out, the ones I need on the front, just like that, and pull them out. Now let's just see how comfortable it is. So here we go. All right, so keep them in my pocket there, and right, yeah, it's a little bit smaller than my other wallet, like I said, so it is pretty comfortable. Nothing really stabbing me or anything like that. So the edges are all smooth around here, and this is leather. Obviously it's going to get a little bit more supple as it's used, but I like the features. I like that I can just pop my cards out right there. That's super handy. I like that it's protected from the RFID chip scanners or whatever. People that just take your information with a little machine. So that's pretty sweet. And then you can put a little AirTag in there too if you want. So anyways, great little wallet here. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.